So here are the acoustic sound panels. They do come in a vacuum sealed bag. They recommend you let it sponge up between 24 to 48 hours. Here's the design I chose. Some of these are gonna appear more squished, but they're actually not that bad. But they still recommend you wait 24 to 48 hours. So here's the foam in my bedroom. So here's the foam installed. I chose to set it up like this. Of course, you could always have different forms. You could put just random squares throughout your bedroom or studio, whatever it may be, but it was a very easy install. I just used push pins, of course black, so you won't be able to see them. Yeah, plan to have a microphone in this area, in this corner, so this will be very beneficial for me. But yeah, super easy, super convenient, super fast. Just pop the push pin in. Let me show you guys. Just pull one out. It comes off. Put it back in. Just pop it in. Right into the drywall. Pretty simple. Here it is again. They do have different designs, but I chose with these pyramids.